Nurse Sue here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin spice coffee creamer. I am so excited. We are coming to that time of year where I love all things pumpkin, and pumpkin creamer for my coffee is no different. Now you can buy this in the store, absolutely, and not spend the 5 minutes that it'll take to make it. But the problem with that is if you look at the list of ingredients, there's going to be a lot of chemicals and names of things on there. I feel like I'm back in chemistry class and I have no idea what's in there, all those preservatives and things. So I'm going to show you how to make your own. It'll take just a quick few minutes, and at least I can pronounce every single thing that's in my creamer, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now what you do is you take a cup of almonds or cashews and you're going to soak them overnight in water. So you want to soak them for about 24 hours. Now I buy this big bag at Sam's Club or Costco or wherever, and this bag will last me for a long time. I want to say there's like 9 cups in this bag. I use it for my granola. I use it when I'm making almond milk. And then of course I can use it for my coffee creamer as well. So I soaked my almonds in water overnight. Now if you're like me, you will forget to soak your almonds overnight. Not a problem. Boil them for 10 minutes. It's the same difference, okay? So I'm going to go ahead, and this is what 1 cup looks like after they've soaked overnight. I'm just going to put those in my blender. The next thing I'm going to put in is 2 cups of fresh water. Now this is not the water that they soaked in. You want to make sure you get fresh water, and your creamer will last longer if you put in the filtered water. So I went ahead and got this. It's just filtered water, 2 cups of it. I'm going to pour this in here. This coffee creamer will last for about 4 to 5 days in your refrigerator. The next thing I'm going to put in is just 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. That's easy enough, right? There we go. And then I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now, this recipe says you can use the cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger combination, but let me tell you, I just add up all of the amounts needed, and I can just put in pumpkin pie spice. Why would I buy 3 of those that I may or may not ever use again? Pumpkin pie spice I know I'll use. So I'm going to set that off to the side. Now this has absolutely no sugar in it, and if you like your coffee creamer with no sugar or no sweetness, go you. I'm not quite there, okay? You can sweeten it with a couple of dates. You can put maple syrup in it. I'm going to put agave in it. That's one of the things that I like to put in just to sweeten when I'm doing my almond milk. I'm not real good at measuring. Now all we're going to do is blend this, and there we go. So what we'll do is we will blend this for just a minute or so. Once it's blended, I'm going to pour it into my jug. I use one of these milk jugs. I just got it on Amazon or something. And then I'm going to pop this lid on, and it'll be nice airtight container, and I can just pour it as I need it out of the refrigerator. So like I said, it's good for about 4 to 5 days. Again, 1 cup of soaked almonds or cashews if you prefer. You've got 2 cups of fresh water, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and then either 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin spice or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Either way, you've got what you need there. So this is just grinding up here. As soon as that's finished, again, I'll just pour it in here, and I'll have my pumpkin spice creamer. It's that easy, folks. I hope you'll try the recipe. Let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by.